My name is Anthony Candela. I'm the managing member of Candela and Associates, LLC. I've been in business since 2006. Candela and Associates is comprised of myself and my wife, and we bring in interns as needed during busy season. So I first came into contact with goodaccountants.com in mid-2009 through a television ad. After that, I did some research and contacted the company, understood what they were all about, how they helped accountants, and it sounded very interesting, and never looked back since then. The clients that I've obtained through goodaccountants.com have basically run the gamut. It's been a chiropractor, a restaurant, graphic design firm. There really isn't one particular niche, which is one of the real reasons I like goodaccountants.com. You have a whole wide range of individuals obviously looking for accountants and going to goodaccountants.com. I feel it keeps us up to date on different areas of the business world, and we're not pigeonholing ourselves into one particular niche. So, we've been very happy with the type of clientele we've obtained in terms of obviously billing, but also in the industry areas, which has allowed us to expand our knowledge base. The latest client I obtained from goodaccountants.com is a restaurant in Midtown Manhattan. They do about $2.5 million of sales with just over 15 employees. And they were looking to overhaul their entire accounting infrastructure. We were able to go in there and make recommendations on how to more accurately account for certain items and track certain items, and really give the owners a more hands-on feel on their financials and what was going on in the business. The key thing with most small businesses is that sometimes they're just busy running their business, and this particular client in particular was extremely busy running their business. So now we're able to give them a full accounting package, which will help them make more informed decisions in terms of running their business. Their monthly retainer is $1,500, which is $18,000 a year. So keeping that, if you think about it, keeping that client for 10 years, it's revenue of $180,000. The residual income that I've been able to amass from goodaccountants.com has been in excess of $60,000 a year. And after the initial investment, that residual income is totally dropping down to the bottom line, with no further amounts going to goodaccountants.com. Well, we're ecstatic about obviously increasing our revenue totally, but once again, this is an investment that you make, and now we're ecstatic that we were able to make that money back, and it's been a fruitful investment, and basically paid itself off, and it continues to pay itself off as clients stay with you year after year. It's an excellent source of residual income. So I think goodaccountants.com is much more than simply advertising. With advertising, you're going out to the marketplace and hoping to obtain business. With goodaccountants.com, business is actually coming to you, because you know that when they call goodaccountants.com, when clients call goodaccountants.com, they're looking for accounting work. So that lead is a quote-unquote qualified lead already, in that there is a specific need. Good Accountants has obtained the lead, and that will pass it along to you. Accountants in general are skeptical, and obviously there's a cost to participate. But what I would say is that with the guarantee, what is the real risk you're taking? There is something that you both are working towards, not only recouping your investment, but then the residual income as the years go on, and you're able to retain the clients, certainly makes the program pay for itself and then some. The Good Accountants guarantee played an instrumental part in signing up. You want someone who has a vested interest in also helping you achieve your goals. With traditional advertising, you may not have that, but with Good Accountants, you can be assured that they're working towards achieving something that's in writing, and that both of you have a vested interest in. The DSP program is an excellent program, because now not only are you working towards obtaining the same level of billing to equal your investment, but an additional level of billing above and beyond your investment. So now you have two forces, namely yourself and goodaccountants.com, working collectively, which is always better, to achieve a much higher goal. It is smart for Good Accountants to offer that 2-to-1 guarantee, because it is an extra level of security that the CPA or accountant has, and it puts, once again, everyone on the same side of the table working towards a common goal. I don't know currently of any program in the marketplace where they're going to offer you the opportunity to make these guarantees. And not only that, what's great about Good Accountants is the team atmosphere that you have in working together with the different representatives who seem to focus on different areas of expertise and bring them to you. So simply put, it would be impossible. I never would have found these clients without the help of goodaccountants.com. It's very difficult to align yourself with a client looking for an accountant at a particular point in time. And so Good Accountants has provided me this opportunity to obtain these clients, which once again, over a 10-year period, would generate over $500,000 of sales. So through the help of goodaccountants.com, we estimate that we're going to grow our revenues $125,000 by participating in their programs. I'm extremely happy with my decision to go forward with goodaccountants.com. It's allowed me an avenue to build my practice that wouldn't have been available to me if I decided to pass up the opportunity. It has expanded my knowledge base by allowing me to work in different industries. It's obviously expanded my revenues, and so I believe it's an excellent investment and one that you owe to yourself to make.
In order to receive the full reality television version of this particular episode, you must become a subscriber to GA Access for absolutely free by simply clicking the yellow button on the right-hand side of this page marked Subscribe to GA Access TV and submit your name and email address. It's the only way we can send you the full reality TV version of this episode, filmed on location. Keep yourself informed about quality clients that are looking for a good accountant.